Calculating percentages in Excel is easy. Percentage simply means out of 180. So 72% is 72 out of 100 hours, and 9% is 9 out of 100 hours, etc. on the Home tab. In the number group, click the percentage symbol to apply a percentage format. To calculate the percentage of a total in Excel, execute these steps. In this formula, you will divide the obtained marks by total marks. As our data is in two columns, K and L, let's begin the formula. Don't forget, always start a formula with an equal sign. So, type an equal sign, then press on the K7 cell. Simply use the / as the division operator. Press on the L7 cell and press Enter. We got the percentage of obtained marks of the student. Do not waste time on using this procedure. After applying this formula one time, use the trick instead of it. Put your cursor on that cell and drag it until your data ends. Get the percentages for all the students in seconds. Calculating growth percentage between two numbers. To show this process, let's assume we have a data set of products with sales records for the last 2 years. Now we will find out the sales increase in percentages between these 2 years using this formula. Current sales, previous sales. 1. Select the first cell F7 of increase of sales. Usually, start the formula with an equal sign. Use a simple bracket, press the first cell of sales in 2022, E7. Just utilize the / as the division operator. Then press on cell D7, which is the first cell of sales in 2021, close the bracket, -1, press Enter. We have a percentage increase in sales. Put the cursor on this cell and drag it downward till you need this formula. Then, leave it. We get the percentage of all the increased sales. Calculating growth percentage, increased by a specific percentage for this. Let's consider a data set of a product list and its price. Now we will calculate the cost of each product after 20% VAT. Select the first cell E7 of price after 20% VAT. As usual, start the formula with an equal sign. Use a simple bracket. Press the first cell of the actual price, D7. In Excel, you multiply numbers by applying the asterisk symbol. This symbol represents the multiplication operator. When you want to multiply two numbers in Excel, you type them into a cell, separated by an asterisk. Here, use the asterisk symbol. Then the bracket, write 1, and add 20% of VAT to it. Close the bracket and press Enter. We will get a 20% increased price. To extend the formula to additional cells up to E12, drag it down using the cursor.